Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out the Yaheetech storage cabinet with a drawer. Tipping over, and I'm not going to demonstrate that install. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right, as we can see, it's got a lot of space here. I like how the doors are kind of slatted, help just get airflow in there so nothing gets all musty or whatever. Got some shorts here, towels, got some slippers, house shoes on the bottom. There's still a lot of room there. This is pretty deep. It's probably a foot deep or so on the shelves, and then you have, about 2.5, 3 feet, and so 5 shelves like that. So there's a lot of room in there. So this would probably hold my entire wardrobe actually pretty easily. And in the top we have a drawer here, and I'll show you. We can just put whatever we want in there. And at the top here I just have my sock drawer. But there's hold a lot here. It's deep, it's wide, and you can put all kinds of things. You put your wallet in here, put books in there, all kinds of stuff. This is really quite spacious. It's simple and elegant, and it just a wise. It's kind of a space saver as far as being able to hold a lot of stuff and not take up a lot of room. So, yeah, thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a wonderful day out there, and I'll see you next time.